Welcome back to CM's channel. She's simple, so it's CM. Who's simple, so it's simple CM. With the extension of me. We are now in Cebu, Philippines. And everything is as usual. We gotta go out for dinner with the family at 7. And the time is way past 7. So there's something I don't understand. Are they not hungry? They don't want to go out with us. What do you say? What do you say?
I'm just beautifying myself.
Yeah, with no success. So this is it. That was violence.
Yeah.
See you when I see you. At least we are with the family.
Asahin mo. Asahin mo.
Mami, mag-cheat daw siya na.
Asahin mo nga. Ano?
Which one would you like? You choose. Oh, Java lotion.
Eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this sense that I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. When you stay, and I will grow.
Birthday.
Ay, birthday mo di.
Just a slice.
Ini kwanti, ini balik ti. Kwanti. Kaya Lisa, cake.
Babaw siya na. Tara na. Isay button.
We're eating here in Pyramid. Baby ribs, that one.
Pizza pie.
Ato dito ay gawas gikan
Hoy.
dong. Gwapo ka to dito ang pinasalamin mo. Kuha.
Pizza. Make me some.
Believe it or not, the bill has been going on. The battle is raging. The war has started.
The water.
War between good and
One of the warrior. And just to do it fast, we got pizza, baby back ribs with corns, we got crispy patties, soup, and some other things.
baby ribs.
Baby ribs. Good for 5 people or not? I don't know. We will figure that out later.
We'll figure it out.
And the brother has not been eating for 3 days, so he's hungry. Yes, I'm not. So let's see. Now we will eat. Ciao, Bambinos.
Now they're eating.
Kapit yan. You like rice?
Aloys.
No, just take a picture. I think some of that.
May ikuan nito.
Okay.
Si Martin, di ba manok?
Sinigang mo yan.
Hilton.
The after effect. The battle is done. The animals are dead.
All bullish is English.
Now there's only pain left, aka the bill. That's a scream.
But how's the food, Martin? Was it good? Did you love it?
I don't love it. Do I hate it? No, it was like 2.2.
You put that in front of you because you're the one talking.
I could do that, but I will not. No, it was okay. It was good food. It was Filipino food. The pizza sucks. Don't ever order the pizza, guys. Never ever order the pizza here. It is not worth it.
What's the name of this place?
The Pyramid.
Where?
It is in Lahug, Cebu City, Philippines. Well, that's it. Bye bye.
Ya, kumusta yung pagkaon ba? Okay, lami. Kung sa'yo pinakalami ato, kung sa'yo mo ika-recommend? Ang isda di ay? Oh.
Tanan lami.
Ah, social.
It's dark now. IT Park after dark. A lot of things happening. Chicken wings, the park, the pyramid. Oh yeah, that's your new thing. Okay.
Laway, lamig kayo, no? Ayaw, bay.
What is this? This place is called Shaka. So we're here just to drink some beer because we've already been eating to
What is it? What is this place
from the
called?
other restaurant. Shaka.
What is it called?
Shaka.
You show your mommy
Shaka.
Lang din.
Okay.
Drink your beer. Don't show him the real vacation. Drink your beer.
Picture? Video?
Video. Stop a cute
Oh, okay. It's video. Then I will drink a beer.
Show them the San Miguel because this is a Filipino brand.
Oh,
Filipino brand from
Filipino.
Spain.
Is it?
Pero ang we tried to drink San Miguel in Spain. It's
Not the same.
Pero
But I
still
think
San Miguel.
but it's the same.
mother company.
I think it's the same company. Isn't it?
With the whole family. See?
Maybe.
Goy, kada ko kagtang aning tawhan na.
Ay lang yapin sa vlog, hay kat.
Kada ko kagtang.
Gabi tayo dulitan mo akong agtang.
Nice place. IT Park.
Welcome to my vlog.
Ah!